So the New World Symphony here in Miami changed all their wiring on their sound system, and they sent me tons of wire. So I was thinking, what do I do with this wire? So I decided to do a painting, and what do I do with this wire? This is what I will do. I do an image of somebody thinking about what to do with all this wire. So this is about having ideas, and it's about having ideas with wire.
This is one of many of your paintings, that, as you call them, which are really collages. But what I want to point out about this is something Federico just made. He's been making work like this that you'll see in the studio for the past 20 years. But before that, he was a painter. So the foundation of his work comes from painting and a love of the history of art. So you'll see references to old master painters, but also a respect for techniques in art, such as chiaroscuro, the complementary colors between orange and green that give these visual effects that are somewhat subtle, but they're really effects founded in academic painting and based in art history.
Yeah, definitely. This image came from a painting by Ingres, the French painter that painted royalty. That's an image of him, from him. The guy in his image had a beard, but I used the lighting that he had on that. And I created with all these different colors of wire. And I enjoy painting because this intention in which you juxtapose different colors and create air in the inside of the painting is challenging to me. It's funny and it's challenging to me.